my vibrant students? All set for a new lecture? Did you see the topic? Surface area and volume. Yes, it's a topic from maths section of class 9th. And this video is made on a popular request by one of my subscribers. So, here we go. Just a second. Yes, a day cannot start with a good quote. So today's thought is from the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. जीवन न तो भविष्य में है न अतीत में, जीवन तो बस इस पल में है. क्या समझ में आया? You should always and always live in the present. Past is gone. Future has not yet arrived. But Lord says you should always and always live in the present. Cherish every moment with your family and friends. Right? चलो आगे बढ़ें. Let's see the first slide. Cuboid. See, this is a quick revision video. To be very clear, I'll be giving you all the formulas, all the important formulas and the visualizations of the chapter. So, let's quickly begin. So, children, I hope I'm clearly audible. Right? So, let's see what is a cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape. First of all, thing to be noted down, it's a three-dimensional shape. Rectangle is a 2D form of a cuboid, right? Cuboid is made from 6 rectangular faces, clear? Placed at right angles. That means the face make 90-degree angle with each other. Don't worry, I'll show you everything. Okay? The total surface area of a cuboid, that is a TSA, is equals to sum of the areas of 6 rectangular faces. We'll see everything. Have patience, we'll see everything. Let's move on to the next slide. A cuboid has 12 edges, 8 corners. Each corner of a cuboid is called vertex. I hope that's very clear. We know from the very beginning that a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 corners, and the corners of the vertex is the corner of the cuboid is called the vertex. Line segment joining opposite vertex is diagonal of a cuboid. And there are how many diagonals? 4 diagonals in a cuboid. So this is the information we draw from the 2 slides. Let us quickly move on. Yes, here you see a cuboid and the formula list of all the formulas related to cuboid. Everyone, I hope you can see the cuboid. Now let's start with the formula. Volume of a cuboid. What is a volume? Volume means capacity. Amount of a substance, amount of something a substance can hold. Be it water, be it any liquid, or be it a solid. Amount of, quantity that can be held in that solid. Clear? So, length into breadth into height. That is the volume. Very simple. Length, breadth, height. Okay, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, let me tell you, it's also called curved surface area. So, LSA and CSA is the same. The frequent words that you encounter while solving questions are LSA, CSA, TSA. So, TSA is total surface area, LSA is lateral surface area, and CSA is curved surface area. Lateral surface area and curved surface area are the same thing. Now, what do you understand by lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means the area enclosed by a figure if its top and bottom, that is roof and floor, are removed. Okay, just a second. So now children, I want you all to understand this concept very thoroughly. So children, I believe we should start visualizing that together. What do I mean when I say the LSA and what do I mean when I say TSA? All set? Ready? Okay. I hope all of you can see a cuboid in the frame. This is a pencil box in the shape of a cuboid, and I'm going to show you what do I mean when I say LSA, TSA, CSA, whatever terms are there. Okay? So this is a cuboid. These are the faces. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are how many faces? 6. Similarly, there are 12 edges. Okay? And how many diagonals do we have in a cuboid? 4 diagonals, right? So LSA means when I take the figure and I remove the top, that is the roof, the ceiling, and the bottom, that is the floor. Imagine a hollow figure. Okay, just start imagining a cuboid where there is no top and bottom, that is the floor. Okay, the area which is included in the figure when I exclude the top and the bottom, that is the roof, that is the ceiling, and the floor, that is called your LSA, lateral surface area, or CSA, that is the curved surface area, right? And what is this? And children, this is your, and this which was I was trying to show you, these are the edges. Did you get that, children? Now is it better to visualize like this or to just memorize the formula? I think it's better to visualize. Now I hope all of you understood what is LSA. LSA is TSA, the total surface area, and you remove the top and the bottom. That's your LSA. TSA means the total surface area, including the top, the ceiling, and the floor. Okay. So here we are back on the formula chart. Okay. Lateral surface area is 2 into length plus breadth into height. That is 2 into L plus B into H. That is your LSA. I hope all of you know what is LSA now. TSA is LSA plus area of floor and area of the ceiling. Simple. So 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Make pairs. Start making pairs. Length, breadth, breadth, height, and then height and length are remaining. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That's your formula. Total length of cuboid is 4 into L plus B plus H. What is the formula for diagonal? Under root L square plus B square plus H square. Length square plus breadth square plus height square. Later you will know types of diagonal. Let me tell you a gist. That is body diagonal, face diagonal. Okay. So now you just it's enough that you know what is a diagonal. Okay. तो चलो ये सारे फॉर्मूले तो हो गए. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Cube. Cube is a 3D shape for which 2D shape? Tell me. It's square. Simple. Okay. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are the same is called cube. एक ऐसा क्यूबॉइड जिसकी लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट तीनों सेम हो, वो क्या कहलाएगा? क्यूब। तो बताइए स्क्वायर का 3D फॉर्म क्या है? क्यूब। और स्क्वायर की सारी साइड्स क्या होती हैं? इक्वल। सो लेंथ, ब्रेथ, height of the cube is going to be the same. Cube has 6 faces like cuboid, 12 edges like cuboid and 8 corners like cuboid. Measurement सारी same, 4 diagonals. Okay. Volume of a cube. The quantity of something that you can hold is called volume, capacity in simple words. So what is the area of a square? बताइए area of a square. Side into side, side square. That is your area. What is going to be the volume? Use your common sense. Come on, everyone. बताइए area side into side, side square. What will be the volume? Side cube. That is length cube. अगर एक साइड की लेंथ L है तो वॉल्यूम क्या होगी? देखो मैंने ब्लैक से ही लिख दिया. वॉल्यूम क्या होगी? लेंथ का क्यूब. यस. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द LSA? 4 into साइड स्क्वायर, 4L स्क्वायर. TSA 6 into साइड स्क्वायर. अब बताओ LSA 4 है तो TSA क्या होगा? एक फ्लोर की एरिया जुड़ जाएगी, एक सीलिंग की एरिया जुड़ जाएगी. तो L स्क्वायर प्लस L स्क्वायर, 4L स्क्वायर plus L square plus L square, 6L square. What is the total length of cube? 12L. How many edges? Come on, tell me. 12. What is the length of each edge? L. What is be the total length? 12L. Diagonal क्या होगा? √3L. Simple. √3L is the diagonal. Now do you want it? Now do you want it to be visualized? Yes? Again I'm going to switch on my video. Yes, ये वाला क्यूब सबने देखा है, सबके पास होगा, राइट? एक बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है क्यूब का. ओके. अ क्यूब दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम क्यूब्स. ये छोटे छोटे भी तो ये इसकी यूनिट्स क्यूब ही हैं, राइट? You can see all 8 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 corners, 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? 12. Okay. अब TSA क्या होगा? इसकी टोटल सरफेस एरिया. इसके 6 फेसेस हैं, राइट? एंड ईच फेस हैज एरिया एज L स्क्वायर. हर फेस की एरिया L स्क्वायर हो गई. कितने फेसेस हैं? 6. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या हो जाएगी? 6L स्क्वायर. LSA क्या हो जाएगा? फ्लोर और सीलिंग को हटा दो, क्या हो जाएगा? 2L स्क्वायर हट जाएगा उसमें से, 4L स्क्वायर, राइट? चलो आगे बढ़े. आ जाओ चलते हैं राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर. ओके. राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ सॉलिड generated by the revolution of rectangle about one of its sides. Yes, तो सिलेंडर आप सब जानते हैं. व्हाट इज अ सिलेंडर? ऑल ऑफ यू नो इट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग, जब से पढ़ाई शुरू की है, राइट? लेट्स क्विकली मूव ऑन टू द फॉर्मूलाज. वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर πr²h. अब पता है ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बना? डज एनीबडी नो? सर्कल की एरिया बताइए. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल? πr², राइट? और सर्कल के साथ क्या जुड़ गया सिलेंडर में? हाइट. हाइट ऐड हो गई ना, सर्कल की हाइट आ गई. कैन यू सी दैट? तो पाई आर स्क्वायर एच। सिंपल। सर्कल का सबको पता है, सिलेंडर के लिए एच का मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए। कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, लैटरल सरफेस एरिया, इसका मतलब इसका जो कर्व्ड सरफेस है सिर्फ उसी की फ्लोर और सीलिंग हटा दिया, इसका टॉप पार्ट और बॉटम जो दोनों फ्लैट पार्ट्स थे, ये देखो, लुक एट दिस एवरीवन, ये फ्लैट पार्ट्स हटा दिए, क्या बचा? कौन सा पार्ट बचा? ओनली दिस वन, द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. This is going to be 2 pi r h. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Is it? हाइट का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, क्या बन गया? LSA. TSA मतलब CSA. TSA अगर मैं पूछूं what is the TSA of circle? TSA मतलब टोटल सरफेस एरिया. तो आपको क्या क्या बताना होगा? आपको एक तो CSA बताना होगा, दिस वन. एक तो CSA आप बताएंगे कि कर्व सरफेस का इतना एरिया, और दो जो फ्लैट फेसेस हैं उनका भी तो एरिया ऐड होगा, राइट? देखो वही तो किया है, CSA प्लस 2 इंटू बेस 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. इट इज गोइंग टू बी 2 पाई आर एच प्लस आर. दिस इज योर very important formula. Clear? Let's visualize. Now everyone focus on this bottle, the cylindrical bottle. This is a pure cylinder. You see two bases and this one, and this is a curved surface, right? अब जब मैं TSA की बात करूंगी तो मैं इस कर्व सरफेस की बात करूंगी और दोनों बेसिस की भी बात करूंगी, राइट? दिस वन एंड दिस वन. जब LSA की बात करूंगी तो इसको एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे. बस इतना है ना? इन दोनों को हटा दिया, राइट? सिंपल, इजी. तो चलो आगे बढ़ चलते हैं. राइट सर्कुलर कोन और सिंपली कोन. Right circular cone is a solid generated by revolving of a triangle about one of its sides. Cylinder कैसे हुआ था? Revolving a rectangle, and this is by revolving a triangle. एक ट्रायंगल को हाइट मिल गई है, नीचे का कर्व्ड बेस मिल गया है, सर्कुलर बेस मिल गया है. You can clearly see you have a radius, you have a height, and this is the slant height. Can you see this is a slanting line, everybody? So this is called a slant height. As simple as that. Let's see the formula chart first. Yes? I hope clearly visible. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r h. Okay? CSA or LSA pi r l. Just understand. Volume of a cone, it's a circle, so pi r square h, that is for cylinder, and 1 by 3 of the cylinder. You can actually cut a cone within a cylinder. So 1 by 3 of its volume will be covered. That is why it is your 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of cone. LSA of cone is pi r l. LSA में क्या नहीं इन्वॉल्व होगा? चलिए बताइए मुझे, क्या नहीं इन्वॉल्व होगा LSA में? नीचे का बेस इन्वॉल्व नहीं होगा. TSA में सब कुछ इन्वॉल्व होगा, कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस बेस. CSA में जो इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुआ था वही तो TSA में इन्वॉल्व होगा, राइट? एंड देर आर क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पे आपको L फाइंड आउट करना होता है, या H नहीं दिया रहता है, H फाइंड आउट, या R फाइंड आउट करना होता है. कैन यू सी अ राइट ट्राइंगल विदिन अ कोन, विदिन द कोन? लेट मी शो यू. ये दिख रहा है राइट ट्राइंगल. ये दिख रहा है, क्वाइट विजिबल, राइट ट्राइंगल. तो हम सबको पता है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. We can find out the hypotenuse or the height or the base. We can find out one if the two are given. So for that you have this formula. the list of the formula. Okay, all these formulas are there. If L is not given, if H is not given, if R is not given. Clear? Now everyone have your focus towards this cone. Bright pink colored cone. Okay. Now tell me, if I find out the area of this cone, what will it be? Will it be the CSA or will it be the TSA? See, the base is not there. I've given you a hint. It will be a CSA obviously. है ना? Base नहीं है. How can it be TSA? So this is a cone I have made. The radius is quite clear. The radius of this base, this circle, is going to be the radius for the cone. The straight height is going to be the height, and this slanting, this is going to be the slant height. Okay, sphere. So a solid which is surrounded by a curved surface, and each point of the surface is the same distance. It's talking about the radius. It is talking about the radius of the sphere. It is the 3D for circle. Yes, all of you know that. The line segment joining from the center of the sphere to any point is called the radius of the sphere. Okay. So there are only two formulas. Volume of a sphere, 4 by 3 pi r square. Pi r cube. And surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay. Let us move on. Hemisphere. The example is a bowl. Okay. So a bowl is the best example for hemisphere. A plane passing through the center of a sphere divides the sphere into two equal parts, two equal halves. Each is called a hemisphere. Hemi means half. Semi also means half. So you call it a semicircle, not a semisphere. It is called a hemisphere. Right? The equator divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. The Greenwich meridian divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. I hope you know all this. Right? Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, just the half of sphere. Sphere का कितना था? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere का half होगा. CSA is 2 pi r square. Half. TSA is 2 pi r square. और इसका अगर बेस भी मैं कवर कर दूँ टॉप से तो pi r square. It is going to be 3 pi r square. Now children, tell me one thing. How many of you noticed the background, the theme of the class? Isn't it looking like a blackboard? Right? Isn't it looking like a blackboard? और कितनों को स्कूल वाली फीलिंग आ गई? मुझे तो आ गई है लेक्चर डिज़ाइन करते वक्त. I was in school from heart. Yes? अब स्कूल तो most of you, I don't know how many of you are going, but घर पे ही स्कूल वाली फीलिंग आ गई. Right? So all the students who enjoyed the lecture और जिनको भी इस लेक्चर को देख के ऐसे एकदम स्कूल वाली फीलिंग आ गई, अंदर से एकदम स्कूल की याद आ गई, hit like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your loved ones to show your love and support. Bye bye. Take care. Keep studying. Bye children. Keep hustling.